For 25 years, SAFADECO has stood by your side, serving, empowering, and building better lives together. Now, it's time to celebrate our journey and soar higher as one cooperative family. You are warmly invited to the 24th Annual General Assembly at Salvacion Farmers Development Cooperative with the theme Silver Wings of Service. Empowering members, elevating life. 25 years of service, a lifetime of better living and innovation.
Happening on March 29, 2026.
From 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. at the Sorsogon National High School covered court. This is more than just a meeting. It's a celebration of unity, growth, and shared success. Let's hear important updates, be part of meaningful discussions, connect with fellow members, and enjoy exciting activities and thrilling raffle prizes. To all SAFADECO members in good standing, your presence matters. Your voice counts. Your cooperative journey continues here. Let us spread our silver wings of service and move forward, empowered, inspired, and united. See you at the 24th Annual General Assembly.